Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect tech gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we're diving into the world of stylus pens with the iPad Stylus Pen for iPad. It's compatible with a wide range of iPads, and it promises to take your creativity to new heights. If you enjoy tech reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Let's kick things off by introducing the iPad Stylus Pen. If you're an iPad user from 2018 to 2022, this stylus is your perfect companion. It's compatible with a broad range of iPads, including the 6th to 10th generations, iPad Air, iPad mini, and more. Plus, it comes with a fantastic 18-month free replacement service. What sets this stylus apart is its pixel-perfect precision. With a 1.5mm palm material tip and 3 replaceable nibs, it's ideal for creation, painting, writing, sketching, and doodling. The iPad Stylus Pen offers an imperceptible lag, making it feel like you're working with a real pencil or brush. It even supports palm rejection and tilt, enhancing the natural feel of your creative process. The convenience factor here is outstanding. This stylus magnetically attaches to compatible iPads, reducing the risk of loss and making it incredibly easy to carry around. No need for Bluetooth connections. It's ready to go with a single tap. Plus, it automatically enters sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity to save power. Charge it for just 1.2 hours, and it'll work continuously for 8 hours, with an impressive standby time of 365 days. While this stylus excels in many aspects, it's worth noting that it's not compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches first, second generation and older iPad models. However, for the vast majority of recent iPads, it's a game changer. The build quality is exceptional, and the palm nib material ensures both smoothness and durability. It's an excellent tool for creative minds. In conclusion, the iPad Stylus Pen for iPad is a remarkable tool for anyone looking to elevate their creative work on compatible iPads. With precision, convenience, and power-saving features, it's a fantastic addition to your digital toolbox. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow creatives. For more tech insights, stay tuned to Product Critique. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you have any questions or want to see more reviews like this, leave a comment below. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll be back soon with more tech goodness. Stay critiqued, everyone.